Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and I guess this week is not having much news, but yeah, today we are having just a single medium pack news at 10:31 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at 10:31 p.m. and let's move to the charts now. So this is the chart of the monthly of Euro USD. And the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from the strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias and the price moved into the upside direction and reacted from this candle over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from the strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. Currently, we are into the sideways zone in monthly. So, let's move to the weeklies for a detailed picture. So, what do we have into the weekly charts? Is we are having this order flow and we are having this unmitigated wick over here which had taken the low of the previous weekly candle. So what we have here is the price had swept this low, this candle's low, and moved into the upside direction. But currently, nothing is much clear into this move. So let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart we are having. And what do we have is that this is the strong high made by the market. And the price is reacting from this order block over here, or you can say that it is a swing. So the price is reacting from this area and moving into the downward direction. Currently, we have nothing to stop actually over here. So I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and mitigate something into this candle over here. So for a detailed picture, let's move to the 4 hours. Now this is the 4 hour we are having. And we can clearly see that we are having equal lows into the downward direction and the price is having this order block over here. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction. Apart from that, we are also having this strong low being made into the market. So if we are going to go into the downward direction, we are not going to break this high. And we are also having this FVG left into this leg. So I'm anticipating that if we are going to uh, react from this FVG, that would be the best scenario for me to take an entry. So let's move to the 1 hours. Now this is the 1 hour chart and we can see clear equal highs at this range. So what I'm anticipating that we are going to move into the upside direction, react from this uh, FVG of the higher time frames. We are also having FVG along with the confluence in 1 hour. So I'm actually anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, react from this area, and then move into the downward direction towards the higher time frames equal low. So let's move to the 30 minutes. Now what do we have is 15 minutes will be the best. So what do we have is that I'll be anticipating that price is going to take the Asia low, and if not, if we are going to reach the high of the Asia, most likely we are going to take the Asia high and then move into the downward direction. So if we are going to take the Asia low, most likely we are going to see a sweep of the Asia low and move into the upside direction, take these highs and react something from here and then move into the downward direction towards the higher time frames equal lows. So this is the analysis for today. Now let's move to the questions round. Now, what do we have in our question today? That what is the primary purpose of a stop loss order in trading? First one is to lock profits. Second one is to automatically execute a trade at a predetermined price level. The third one is to limit potential losses. So write your answers into the comment and I'll pin and like the right answer so that people could understand that this one is the right answer. So this is pretty much it. And do consider liking and subscribing this channel. And I'm targeting 20 likes on this video. if you really found it useful. Thank you for watching.